Ever wondered about the future of blockchain technology? It's a fascinating topic, isn't it? The future is not only about blockchain, but also about how we can enhance it. That's where Polygon, also known as Matic, comes in. Polygon is a beacon of hope in the vast sea of blockchain technology. It's not just another Ethereum-compatible blockchain network. No, it's much more than that. Polygon is a multi-chain scaling solution for Ethereum, aiming to provide faster and cheaper transactions. It's like a superhighway that allows for a swift, seamless journey through the blockchain universe. It's the future we've all been waiting for. A future where blockchain technology is not hindered by speed or cost issues. So, are you intrigued to know more about how Polygon works? Stay with us. We're just getting started on this fascinating journey, ready to dive into the world of Polygon. Let's start by understanding its unique Layer 2 scaling solution. This solution is Polygon's response to the limitations of Ethereum, including high gas fees and slow transaction times, both of which can be a bottleneck for developers and users alike. Here's how it works. Polygon uses a network of sidechains that operate in parallel to the Ethereum main chain. These sidechains are individually much faster and cheaper to use than the main Ethereum network. This is because they are designed to handle a portion of the overall network load, rather than the entire thing. This approach allows Polygon to offer a higher level of scalability and efficiency than Ethereum alone. It's like adding extra lanes to a busy highway. The more lanes you have, the more cars you can handle, and the faster everyone can get to their destination. The beauty of Polygon lies in its simplicity and efficiency, wouldn't you agree? So, why is Polygon turning heads in the crypto world? As we dive into the key points, let's not forget that Polygon isn't a standalone blockchain, but a framework for constructing interconnected blockchains. This feature allows it to integrate smoothly with Ethereum's network, which is a significant advantage given Ethereum's expansive and active ecosystem. But compatibility isn't the only thing Polygon brings to the table. It's the scalability of this platform that truly shines. Unlike traditional blockchains that struggle with handling a high volume of transactions, Polygon is designed to process thousands of transactions per second. This scalability makes Polygon a powerful tool for developers and businesses alike. And let's not forget about the cost effectiveness. With Polygon, you can bid farewell to high transaction fees. The platform offers lower transaction costs, making it a more affordable choice for users. Indeed, Polygon is carving out a new path in the world of blockchain technology. It's not just the future, it's the present.